Okay, so welcome to Madras Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a APIs in Laravel. So Laravel is a powerful framework for API development. So I'm going to show you how to create a simple API in Laravel. Okay, there are several topics will be covered on this session. The first topic will be introduction to Laravel and APIs. On this section, I'm going to cover what is Laravel, why we should use Laravel for API development, and overview of REST API. And the second topic will be setting up Laravel. So on this topic, I'm going to cover installing Laravel via Composer and setting up your local development environment and brief overview of the Laravel directory structure. And the third topic will be database setup. Okay, how to configure .env file for your development and creating database and migrations and running a migration to set up tables. Okay, and fourth topic will be the building the API structure. Okay, on this topic I'm going to cover understanding roots, API bus, web roots, and creating controllers for API and basics of resource controllers. And fifth topic will be models, how to use models in the Laravel. Okay, so creating models for your database interaction and relationship like one to one, one to many, many to many, and qualifying a data use how to qualifying the data using models. Okay, and the sixth topic will be API roots. Okay, on this topic I'm going to cover how to define a roots in api.php and understanding root groups and delivers and versioning your API. So how to version your API v1 v2 something like that. Okay, and the seventh topic will be CRUD operations. So on the topic I'm going to cover how to create, read, update and delete records in using APIs, and another validating request using form request and responding with JSON. Okay, so how to respond data with JSON. So on this topic I'm going to cover it. Okay, and eighth topic will be authentication and authorization. Okay, it is a important piece of work, how to secure your API. Okay, on this section I'm going to cover how to secure your API for an unauthorized access or something like that. Okay, so on this topic I'm going to cover how to implement the Laravel passport or the sanctum for API authentication and securing endpoint with middleware and role based access control. Okay, and ninth topic will be error handling and validation. So on this topic I'm going to cover how to you can handle the errors with the customer responses and adding validation tools for the incoming request and global exception handling. So these are the areas I'm going to cover in this ninth topic. And 10th topic will be testing APIs. Okay, how to test your APIs. Example, you are completed a simple API and how to test your API, how it is working and how it is the responses coming. So I'm going to explain you how to test API. I'm going to use the tool Postman, on the Postman how to test your API in Postman. So on this 10th topic I'm going to cover how to test API. And okay, these are the topic I'm going to cover in this video. Keep watching us for the further updates. Thank you.